Hello everyone. You must be using Zoho Books and Zoho Books mobile app, which are lovely applications from Zoho Books. Very convenient, very easy to use, very user friendly and easy to learn too. So which makes accounting life of any accountant easy. So here the thing which you have more noticed and we are talking about here is the Zoho expense area where you are posting expenses. For that you must be using mobile app in case of adding an expense, especially the ones which are randomly given to you like expense receipts, not the one on the mails ones are mostly put directly on a Zoho Books dashboard. However, when you're using mobile phone to capture an expense, what you're normally doing is you're taking a photograph of an expense receipt and you're adding date, you are adding amount, you're adding vendor, you're putting up narration there and the chart of account to which it will be connected to. The way it works is even the payment method, either it's petty cash or bank, that's also you're mentioning out there. But the way it happens is that it's bound to have human mistakes. It's bound to have clerical mistakes, which are very normal and not something to be blamed for. However, it comes back later in the auditing when the auditing is done, and due to that, the whole requirement of keeping an auditor and accountant comes into place. While the same thing also happens that many times people take the expense and they do not post it on time. They have a habit to put the expense on WhatsApp for time period because that is convenient to them, and because the bills or the expense receipts these days, what happens that they wipe out in few days as they are printed by heat based printers. So after few days, every receipt that we know of, it completely fades away and gets blank. So it becomes very important to post it instantly or in the same day, or either send to your accountant or you are doing it yourself. So here we have got a product which automatically captures the expense receipt and it immediately posts it into Zoho Books through your preferable medium of WhatsApp or Telegram channel, whatever pleases you. And at the same time, you can add more people to the Telegram area where you can make sure that other people can also post the expense. The benefit is the bills don't get fade, the damage is not done. The posting only takes less than 5 seconds. Means like when you are posting it, you're just taking a photograph and sending it, takes 5 seconds. When system replies you back, it takes 20 seconds. But just like WhatsApp or Telegram, you're just sending a message and you don't have to be standing on the application. You can just swipe out, you can close your phone, and later on the system will revert you back in 20 seconds or so that this is your bill and this is posted. Even if the duplicate bill is posted, it comes back with the message of that the bill is duplicated and it's already existing expense exists, so it will not post again. So what happens when you're doing it, and if you want to learn more about this product, we have added an article on the website and the link of this particular article is mentioned in the description below. So where we have mentioned what exactly it does. It's an AI based auto posting system. It automatically checks and is communicated through your preferred media, integrated through your preferred medium of WhatsApp and Telegram, where you just take a bill and take a copy of the bill, scan, and AI scans it and automatically post everything as per your chart of accounts. It is not dependent on universal chart of account. It checks your chart of account and connects it to the preferred particular chart of account. In case you feel that the chart of account or some place you want to make changes, you can always go to Zoho Books and make changes. However, it saves a lot of your time. Like if you normally you're posting 5 minutes, it takes 5 minutes to post a expense. This particular system takes only 10 seconds to 20 seconds to post an expense. Now you don't need an accountant here, you don't need an auditor here. Automatically things are done, and your usual habit of posting in WhatsApp and other places is accepted here. So we have the article with frequently asked questions, use cases, and all the things possible that you can think about this particular product. Inside Zoho, already there is a product called Zoho Scan, which allows you to scan the expenses. However, they charge you around ₹50 per expense to be posted. In this particular system, it is very cheap. It comes out to be ₹7 or ₹4.5, depending on which option do you go for. And we are also giving you 600 expense receipts that is allowed in your implementation package, which you can when you're getting implemented, you will get an option to access those 600. You can get an option to access the system, which allows you to post 600 expenses. Every month you get around 50 expenses to be posted. So here you can see in Zoho Books, it's around ₹50 that they charge for the similar kind of feature they have in the system, and while we are charging a lot less. Also, there is a way to understand how manual entry and AI posting has a difference. There is a way to understand how exactly it's a cost saving benefit, as well as what the accountant benefits. So in every case, this article helps you out. Now here is a demo that we have put inside the article itself, where the bill gets posted, and we'll also create a bigger screen on this particular page where you can see the demo on a larger screen on your videos. So how exactly the bills get scanned, and you have to just mention by which medium it is to be, which particular method you have paid, like either cash or bank, and it gets posted. Of course, we can customize it to even more instructions as per your requirements, and then the system replies back in a similar 20 to 30 seconds that expense is posted in the expense ID, name of the vendor, date, amount, as well as the chart of accounts and the chart of accounts ID, so that you are sure that it's posted to the right system. Inside Zoho Books, it looks like this. So we can see in the expense section, and inside the expense section. So when you're adding expense, you normally see that you're putting up the date and the expense account, amount paid through system, vendor, invoice number, note, and this thing. But when this particular system is done through this particular method, which we have through the AI, then this is how it looks like, that the bill is automatically posted with the correct information. You can check the bill. This is one of the examples. The bill is posted with the correct system. Automobile expenses, it's a fuel expense, and petty cash is a handwritten bill. Even the handwritten bills are in the system. Even the handwritten bills do work, and they can be utilized. This one is paid through petty cash. The reference number or the bill number is mentioned here. And the narration is posted, AI auto posted expense at this particular location. So this whole information is automatically added by the AI system. So you can check it out in the article, and also contact us if in case you feel this particular product is useful to you and you're looking to get it implemented for you. Of course, there in the package you get the expense receipts pre-included, as well as you can buy bundles, which makes the cost even cheaper for you. So I hope you like the product. So thank you, take care, see you next time, bye.